This 5-minute solution will show you how to add or link YouTube channel to Roblox account. So if you have bunch of followers or friends on your Roblox account and now you want to share your YouTube channel link on Roblox, follow these quick steps to add or link YouTube channel to Roblox. First of all, open your YouTube app and open the channel. And tap on this three dot at the top right. Tap on share. Copy link. Once you copied your channel link, go to your Roblox app. Tap on this three dot at the bottom right. Tap on settings. Account info. Scroll down and here you will get this social networks section. Here you will get YouTube. So tap on this YouTube box and paste your YouTube channel link. Done. Save. And your YouTube channel link will be added in your Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.